This is a quick tutorial on the Atlantis cable crossover pulley system. This is a very functional, very multi-exercise piece of equipment that can be very beneficial for exercise diversity here at the gym. So for this first piece of pulley system here, you have your lat pull down. Primarily, you want to use your lat pull down. Different grips, different heights. But the main key point is your seat adjustment and your thigh leg adjustment. Making sure that whenever you do any movements, you get in there and things are placed properly so that you can stay held down as you exercise and perform your movements. Each single weight stack has these 5-pound little weights that you can release, okay? Or you can pull back so that you can cut down on the weight increments of the stacks, okay? Right now, as you can see, they're about 15 pounds. So when you move those 5-pound weight stacks, you can cut it down to 5 or 10 pounds, okay? Another big area of our cable crossover pulley system is the inside stacks. So right now, this setting is set up on a tricep extension, standing tricep extension, right? However, you can basically diversify what you do with it by changing the handles, okay, to a more of a handle in this position, okay, and adjusting the pulley system up or down. So here I'll keep it down just like it is at the other side. I'll adjust my weight to, let's say, 40 pounds on one side, 40 pounds on the other. Okay, and grab your handles. Now you can utilize both sides to a chest fly movement. You can always change the bottom handle. And now you have a standing bicep exercise. The options are endless. On this side, you can set up your seated cable row adjustments, okay? So in this one, you have a close grip row. If you want to use a long bar, you can set a nice wide row, more like a T-bar row. But once again, you would adjust your weight stack, grab a seat, nice neutral spine alignment, engage your abs and core, and perform your row movements, okay? Over in this area as well, you can see you have different variations for you to do pull-ups, chin-ups, and all different assortments of mobility exercises by hanging a band and doing some of the mobility stuff that we do here at the gym. The pillars also have a cable on the opposite side that you can adjust for single exercise uses. So this overall piece of equipment, very functional and very diverse for your exercise routines.